everyone! Are you having trouble getting Chrome Remote Desktop to work on your Windows 11 computer? It can be really frustrating when you need to access another PC remotely and the connection just won't happen. Don't worry, you're in the right place, because in this video, we're going to cover some common solutions to fix Chrome Remote Desktop not working on Windows 11, helping you get back to seamless remote access quickly. First things first, let's start with some basic checks. Ensure both your local and the remote computer have a stable internet connection. A weak or disconnected network is often the simplest culprit. Also, double-check that the host computer you're trying to connect to is actually powered on and not in sleep or hibernation mode, as Chrome Remote Desktop cannot wake up a completely powered off or deeply sleeping machine. Next, let's look at the Chrome Remote Desktop setup itself. Make sure the Chrome Remote Desktop extension is correctly installed and enabled in your Google Chrome browser on both ends. You can check this by typing Chrome//extensions into your address bar. Verify that the Chrome Remote Desktop host application is running properly on the remote Windows 11 PC. Sometimes it might crash or get disabled. A quick fix can be to uninstall and then reinstall the Chrome Remote Desktop host application on the remote computer, which often resolves underlying software issues. Moving on to browser-specific troubleshooting, try closing Google Chrome completely and reopening it. Sometimes, a simple browser restart can clear up temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. You can do this by going to Chrome Settings, then Privacy and Security, and selecting Clear Browsing Data. Old data can sometimes interfere with new connections. Also, conflicting Chrome extensions can cause problems. Try disabling all other extensions temporarily to see if one of them is interfering with Chrome Remote Desktop's functionality. Now, let's dive into Windows 11 specific settings that might be causing issues. The Windows Firewall is a common blocker. Go to Windows Security, then Firewall and Network Protection, and ensure that Chrome Remote Desktop is allowed through the firewall for both private and public networks. You might need to add it manually if it's not listed. Additionally, check your network profile on Windows 11. If it's set to public when it should be private, it can restrict network discovery. You can change this in your network settings. Power settings on the remote Windows 11 PC are also crucial. Search for power and sleep settings and adjust them to prevent the computer from going to sleep or hibernating while you expect to access it remotely. Ensure that wake timers are enabled if you're trying to wake the PC remotely, although Chrome Remote Desktop generally doesn't support this directly. Finally, always make sure both your Google Chrome browser and your Windows 11 operating system are fully updated to their latest versions. Outdated software can introduce compatibility problems and security vulnerabilities that prevent remote connections. A classic troubleshooting step that often works wonders is simply restarting both your local and remote computers. This can resolve many temporary system-level glitches. Hopefully, these tips help you fix Chrome Remote Desktop on your Windows 11 machine. If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you found another solution or have any questions, and feel free to share this video with anyone else who might be struggling with remote desktop issues. Your support helps us create more helpful content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.